In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change workplace title in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your updated title show up for everyone who uses that workspace. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. This is the easiest way to get to the official site if you don't already have it bookmarked. In the results, look for the official Microsoft Loop page that mentions it as a collaborative app for Microsoft 365. Click that to head straight to the product page. On the Microsoft Loop page, select Get Started with Loop. If you're prompted, sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it from the same screen. Use the account that's connected to your team or organization so you'll see the correct workspaces. Once you're in, you'll land on the Loop home experience. Next, switch to the grid view by clicking the grid view icon. This layout is great for scanning your workspaces visually, especially if you have a lot of them. It makes it easier to spot the workspace you want to update without digging through a long list. Find the workspace whose title you want to change. In Loop, a workspace is the container that holds your pages and components, so you want to be sure you're on the right one. Hover over it and click the three dots, often labeled More Options. If you don't see this option, make sure you have the right permissions. Typically, you need to be an owner or have manage rights on that workspace. From the menu, choose Rename and Style. This opens a panel where you can edit the name and, depending on your tenant's features, adjust visuals like the icon or color. Changing the title here won't affect the content inside your workspace. It just updates how the workspace is identified across Loop. Type your new title in the name field. Keep it clear and descriptive so teammates can find it quickly, and consider a simple naming convention like team name, project, and date. Avoid using special characters that might not display consistently across devices. When you're happy with the new name, click Update. The change saves immediately and should reflect across your Loop home, shared links, and search. If it doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. Collaborators will now see the updated workspace title, and nothing inside the workspace will be moved or deleted. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the workplace title in Microsoft Loop with just a few clicks.